issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Islet County in southeastern Texas, northern Hardin County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Woodville to Thicket, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Caney Head, Goose, Honey Island, Ivanhoe, Fred, Magnolia Springs, Mount Union, Wildwood, Spurgeon, Warren, Hemister, Town Bluff, Village Mills, Thicket, and Silsbee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.